Sabjis made with Besan Gram Flour is very delicious and can be prepared instantly with ease. Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. I am back with another episode of Eating Vegetables with Ease. In this episode, I'm going to share my favorite vegetable sabjis with besan, chickpea flour. It's basically called Besan wali sabjis. So let's begin. Rich in fiber and nutrients, besan is basically gram flour or also chickpea powder. And I think by this time, most people know what besan is. So today I'm going to start with eggplant. Eggplant is almost everyone's favorite, and I like to use this Chinese variety for this sabji. It cooks really fast, it's creamy and tastes amazing. So let's begin. Take your choice of eggplant, ringan, cut however you like and wash really well. When I want to cook sabjis really fast, I cut them into very thin slices. I mean, vegetables, they do cook really fast, but you know, for some of those days when you think, oh, you don't have even that much time, so just cut them in a very thin slices and you will be able to cook them very fast. Heat up a tablespoon of oil into the pan on a medium to high heat. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, rye. Cover to prevent the splash. Add eggplants. Salt as per your taste. Turmeric, haldi. Cover to cook eggplants quickly. The eggplants are cooked. Make a well in the center. Add little bit of oil again. Add ground peanut, mungfali, sesame seeds, till, and besan, chickpea flour. Add dry mango powder, amchur powder, red chili powder to taste, ground coriander, cumin, dhania jeera powder. Give it a good stir. Ginger paste. Stir again and add a little bit of water. Continue cooking besan and other ingredients. Now mix in eggplant into the masala and besan wali Baingan ki sabji is ready. Serve with rice or roti. Garnish with dhania, coriander leaves. Next, I'm going to prepare besan wali bhindi. Remove the stem part of the okra, and also I always like to cut the tip of the okra as well. Split from the middle and again split like so. If you cut this way, okra will cook so fast, making them crispy easily. Alright, done. On a medium heat, take heavy bottomed non-stick pan, about a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add cut okra, salt to taste, and now I'm going to cook okra till they are crispy. Bhindi is cooking nice. You can see that I have taken a big wide pan, and I prefer to use this kind of pan to cook okra faster. Now when bhindi is about to get done, I start adding all the masala. Start with besan, chickpea flour, pinch of turmeric powder, ground peanut, mungfali, sesame seeds, till, coconut, green chili as per your taste, ginger as per your taste, and garlic paste, garam masala as per your taste. Give this a very good stir. For the color, I also add a little bit of red chili powder, and this is very mild red chili powder. So brings nice color and just a very mild flavor. All the ingredients that I just added also cooked nicely. So this is the quickest version of stuffed okra. Turn off the stove. Take out into the serving bowl. Garnish finely chopped coriander leaves on top, dhania. Now you may think, why besan in all these sabjis? Besan has that nuttier flavor which adds, great taste to sabjis. Not only that, besan is very high in protein and fiber as well. So I highly recommend to try at least once, and I'm sure you will absolutely fall in love with besan wali sabjis. As usual, my garden is blooming with guvarfali, cluster beans basically. Hey y'all, I got all these fresh vegetables from my garden. Cluster beans, guvar, long beans, choli, and I am ready to cook them now. Guvar, cluster beans from my backyard, and some cherry tomatoes. Snap the ends, both ends, and collect few of them together and make a good bunch like so, and then you can just cut them together, so that way it saves a lot of time, like so. Cut and wash cluster beans, guvar. Into the pressure cooker pot, take water. If desired, you can steam in open pot. Place the steamer, add guvarfali into the steaming basket. Cover the pressure cooker, put the whistle on, and hear only one whistle. When done, release the pressure manually and open the cooker carefully. Next, heat up a tablespoon of oil into the pan on a medium to high heat. A teaspoon of cumin seeds, jeera. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi. Add besan, chickpea flour, garlic paste, lasan, ground coriander, cumin powder, dhania jeera powder, red chili powder to taste. Give this all a quick stir. Add water as needed. Here I have ground peanut, mungfali, salt as per your taste, dry mango powder, amchur powder, if desired, garam masala powder. Stir again. Add more water if needed and if you want little gravy kind of sabji. And now start adding steamed guvarfali, cluster beans, mix it all. Sprinkle sesame seeds, dill, garnish hara dhania, coriander leaves, and the sabji is ready to serve. Take out into the serving bowl and serve with rice or roti. Next, I'm going to show you my version of Besan wali Simla Mirch. Now, you might have seen usually hara Simla Mirch is used for cooking Besan wali Simla Mirch. But I love to prepare this sabji with all colorful bell peppers. So here I have red, green, orange, yellow, any variety you can find, just go ahead and add. You can also even add onion for this recipe. Chop colorful peppers however you like. I usually cube them for this recipe. On a medium to high heat, heat up about a tablespoon of oil into the pan. Add cumin seeds. Add all the colorful peppers. Ginger paste. Garlic paste. Salt to taste. And give it a good stir. Add turmeric powder, haldi, ground coriander and the cumin powder, dhania jeera powder. Now when the peppers are done, move them on the side. Add a little bit more oil in the middle. Add chickpea flour, besan, ground peanut, mungfali, amchur powder, dry mango powder, red chili powder as per your taste, and add a little bit of water. Add water as needed. Be sure to cook the besan for a little bit. And now go ahead and mix in everything together. So Besan wali Simla Mirch is ready. Turn off the stove and sprinkle sesame seeds till, and the sabji is ready to serve. So one more quick and easy sabji recipe for you. Look at how colorful it looks. I simply love all those colors. Now when I don't have Indian vegetables on hand, I just go ahead and buy locally grown vegetables like zucchini, broccoli, and prepare besan wali zucchini. In India, I'm sure you can find those turia and galka. It's like a, you can find similar vegetables like zucchini and use that instead. So let's prepare with zucchini now. Broccoli is very high in protein, so you can call this sabji like protein packed sabji because besan is high in protein as well. Let's make besan wali broccoli now. Take the one head of broccoli and separate the florets. On a medium to high heat, take about a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, right? Cover to prevent the splash. Carefully add broccoli, add salt, and add a little bit of water. And let broccoli cook for a minute or so. After about a minute, check broccoli. Look at how nice and green looking broccoli. Now I don't like overcooked broccoli, so at this time I'm going to make a well in the center. Add just a little bit of oil. Add garlic paste, green chili paste, turmeric powder, haldi, ground coriander, cumin, dhania, jeera, ground peanut, mungfali, and stir everything really well. Keep the temperature on a low to medium. Next, add besan, chickpea flour, and here I have amchur powder, dry mango powder. Now we need to cook besan until the raw taste of besan is gone. So for that, add a little bit of water and keep cooking the besan. I also like to add a little bit of red chili powder. You can add only one kind, either just a green chili or just a red chili powder. It's up to you. Just a little bit more water. And now start mixing broccoli with besan mixture. Add water again. And now mix everything really well. Turn off the stove, and besan broccoli sabji is ready to serve. Bring down into the serving bowl and serve with rice or roti. And the last one I'm making is besan wali zucchini. Heat up oil into the pan on a medium to high heat. Add cumin seeds. Add sliced zucchini. Salt as per your taste. Ginger garlic paste. Add ground peanut, mungfali, sesame seeds, till, and besan, chickpea flour, ground coriander, cumin, dhania, jeera powder, turmeric haldi, red chili powder to taste. Give it a good stir. Besan wali zucchini sabji is ready. So much quick and easy to prepare as a side to go with dals or paneer. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. Also, don't forget to download Bhavna's Kitchen app for free on many devices like iOS, Android and Windows and more. You can also watch me on a big TV screen using Roku or YouTube if you have a smart TV. Just enjoy however you like. Thanks for watching and see you soon.